Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back today with a video. This time it's gonna be an unboxing from Birchbox. This month box, the March box, looks like this. It's very cute and also it has the purple color print, which is probably my favorite color along with the blue. So here is the box for this month, and let's go ahead and see what's in this one. As usual, here is the box, and I'm smiling, I'll tell you why. Here is the box, and here is the card with all the products, and also they have some coupons if you want to shop on their site. So I'm smiling because I'm seeing one of the products, which is this one, and this one is Ritual. From Ritual, it's Happy Buddha, Sweet Orange and Cedar. This is the foaming shower gel. I'm smiling because I was talking about exactly this product yesterday with Marie here, one of my friends on YouTube. She was using this and she was telling me how much she likes this. And also I have this one right now in my shower. It's almost gone, maybe one usage left, but it seems like somebody there loves me, so I got another one. Very happy with this because I love Rituals. Everything I used from them was really nice. I like their shower gels because they are a little, this one is a travel size, but one of these goes a long way. I like them because a little product covers you in foam from head to toe. I like that. I'm still like bubbles and foam, so, and also smells amazing. So I just finished one of the Ayurveda, I believe, collection in my empties. Now I'm finishing one of these and I have a backup. Of course I have many more, but I'm really glad when I get one of these. So this is my first product in my Birchbox. Then the second one is one that I chose. As far you know, probably you know, if you have the box, you have the option to choose one sample from 3 variation. I choose the Oribe. This is the Straight Away Smoothing Blowout Cream. Is this sample? I don't remember what were the other two choices, but I chose this one. And then the third product in here, we have 5 of them. This is Embrolis, if I'm saying right. It's light cream concentrate, looks like this. I have no idea how many samples of this I got in boxes before, but I have no idea how come I didn't try this one. So probably I'm gonna put one of these in the samples of the week video. It's a small sample. I didn't use this. If you use this before, let me know how this works, and if not, I'll tell you in the samples of the week how is this one. Then the next item in here, it's from Ipkin, if I'm saying right, and this is Moist and Firm BB, I believe it's a BB cream board with SPF 45, is this one. And the last product in here, it's from Nom Nom, Natural Plumping Balm, and this one is, looks like this. I believe it's a lip balm. It says here, sink some ships with this dangerously plumped up lips. Is this one? Let's go ahead and open this because I'm just curious to see. And also there is a shade here which is called Miracle. I cannot open this little guy. Okay, finally. Guys, this is so small. So it's a very tiny one. Here is the back of this, and let's see, I believe it's open like this. Oops. And here is the color. It has a fresh mint scent, and as I said, this one is plumping whatever balm, so we'll see how this one works. I like the packaging. So yeah, that's all in my Birchbox for March. So far we have this lip product. We have the Oribe smoothing blowout cream. We have this BB cream from Ipkin, if I'm saying right. If not, apologize for that. Then we have the light cream from Embrolis. Is this one. This one is a face cream. It's multifunction nourishing moisturizer. And finally this travel size Rituals, which is a shower gel, and I'm very excited for this one. So that's all in my box. If you have the Birchbox, let me know what do you have in your box, how much you like those products, if you use those, how they work for you. And that's kind of all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you very soon for me with another unboxing, which is gonna be a hair kit. So I hope you'll have a great day. I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.